The US dollar is trading under pressure in the New York session. Market sentiment depends on trade tensions between the US and China, as well as macroeconomic data from the US. The Canadian dollar, which has incurred the most losses amid the recent greenbacks rally, is still extending weakness. A few weeks are left before the US raises tariffs on China's imports. Jaded traders nowadays distrust reports about a breakthrough in the trade talks. The latest developments prove that the first phase trade deal could slide into the next year. Nevertheless, the negotiating parties sometimes cheer up investors by optimistic remarks. Amid the escalating trade jitters, China's government invited the US top officials to a new round of the talks in Beijing. Investors view this move as China's readiness to make at least an interim trade deal. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's dynamic against 6 rival currencies, sank to 97.74 as traders halted buying safe haven assets, including the US dollar. Besides, the Federal Reserve indicated in the minutes that interest rates would be put on hold for the foreseeable future. In this context, the US dollar is likely to remain at around the current levels without prospects for a further climb. To develop a rally, the US dollar needs market turmoil and a massive flight to safe haven assets. This is not what's happening now. Traders are keeping close tabs on macroeconomic data from the US to understand what exactly could change the Fed's rhetoric. A manufacturing index from the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia is of major importance today. The survey is seen as a rough picture of the US industry as a whole. Investors cheered the indicator's 10% increase, stronger than the expected 7% gain. The Canadian dollar weakened to 1.33 against the US dollar despite growing inflationary pressure in Canada. Today, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair retreated, but the bulls insist on testing 1.3350, which is the highest mark of October. Traders are worried by the comments from the Bank of Canada's senior deputy governor that the global economy is facing immense challenges. So Canada's regulator could be poised to cut interest rates. Today, traders are anticipating a speech of the Bank of Canada's governor. Tomorrow, the market will get to know Canada's retail sales data. So these events could influence the loonie's trajectory. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.